E-commerce items are morphing all the time. That's why we have these Debutify product videos to keep you in the loop. I found all of these products earlier this week, and now it's time to spill the beans. First one up on our top winning products for July is a sealed moisture-proof ceramic jar. So the cost of this is $9.80. The price is $19.99. The profit is $10.19. Not bad. Target audience for this, about 25 to 50 people who've actually, moved out of their parents' house. They're flatting, they're starting to accumulate and collect items. Target interests, home, storage, organizer, remote work, kitchen. So let's have a look at our competitor. Maria Kondo Cloud White Modular Ceramic Canisters. Coming up here between 18 and 28 New Zealand dollars. Now, if I'm going to do my critiques, I'd say that this first paragraph here is pretty long. You want to have a headline, and then that headline will allow people to read further and further down. It's going to grab people's attention, and you're going to keep reading. This is just a big wall of text. Things I do like about this website, we have a similar products. So instead of getting the pack of 3, you can get 1 at a time. And then I really like the share your photos by tagging at the Container Store. Really easy, simple, evergreen product. You're gonna be able to sell this to a broad range of people, and you're gonna be able to do it throughout the whole year. Okay, and without further ado's, let's have a look at product 2, Swan Harmonica. So this is a branded product from Swan, so it comes with that credibility of that household name. Costs only $2.98. The price is $9.99, and that price actually comes from Swan themselves. So that's a $7.01 profit. So the target audience, 18 to 50. You could actually sell that to people who are younger, because some of the most famous harmonica players started even younger than 18, but I don't really think that it's ethical to target 15-year-olds on Facebook ads.
No, of course not.
So the target interests would probably be music, the blues, instruments, Alan Wilson, and Harvard Levy, famous harmonica players. Let's have a look at the competitor link, which is just Swan Music Store. We can see already how much we can change here. At Debutify, we are always looking at how to encourage conversions. And here, it's just kind of bland. There's lots of different buttons. I'm not really sure where to click. There's so much on the sides. It's not even a full website. I kind of have to do some digging to find out anything more about this product. There's no description. There's only the one image that takes a while to load in a separate box. It's not even loading. So there's a lot here that we can change and we can develop. So I will leave that to you. I mean, this needs a video. This needs to inspire people to play the harmonica. And that wouldn't be too difficult. You just have to, oh look, I've got this one. This is my first and only harmonica, 10-hole, 20 black. Anyway, yeah, video. You'd want to get people in your town who can play the harmonica if you can't play it yourself, and just demonstrate the use cases. Get real nice and close, show the details, get a bit of light on that, and inspire people to make the purchase. It sells itself, man. Anyway, next product on our list, Himalayan Chakra Meditation Brass Bowl. Costs $12.66. The price is $53.97. So that's a whopping $41.31 profit. So target audience 25 to 45, people who've started to develop a meditation sense. I would target this to home meditation, music, yoga, and then some famous meditators like Sam Harris, Joseph Goldstein. So let's have a look at the competitor link. Conscious Electronic. Brass Himalayan singing bowl. Kind of hard to read the text, if I'm being honest. A couple of pictures, it's okay. It's nice and simple. Can't read the about us down here. This is pretty bad as well. I think this is just going to take me to, definitely going to take me to Amazon. So it's an Amazon FBA thing, and they've just taken these product photos from Amazon. Yeah, definitely a lot of room for improvement there, but yeah, I'll leave that to you guys. All right, moving forward, we have product number 4, Nylon Yoga Mat Bag. So just to put your yoga mat in a bag with a little sling, throw it in your car, and then carry it to wherever you want to practice. Costs $8.04. Now, we've seen a price of $19.99 on competitor stores, but we've seen an even bigger price on Lululemon. So the profit here, we have $11.95, but I'll show you just how much it costs on Lululemon as well. So target audience at 25 to 45. You could even go older. Yoga, health, stress, exercise. So let's have a look at Lululemon. Whoa! $68 USD. Or 4 payments of $17 with Afterpay.
For real? Damn!
So yeah, that's insane. Just a bag. It's just a bag with a strap on it. 68 USD. Free shipping though. People love free shipping. See, this is more like it. Why we made this, that is a headline that's grabbing my attention. And then the details, 4 nice bullet points, add to bag. Red, really making that pretty easy for me. And then we have reviews, 53 5-star reviews, 8 1-stars though. 2 small pocket unusable bag, hard to stuff small mat in. So there is that problem. But I mean, it does have the dimensions right here, so they are explaining themselves. Anyway, yeah, this doesn't have a video. I'm always going to suggest a video showcasing people putting the yoga mat in the bag, walking, going, doing yoga. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, buy the bag, CTA. Obviously quite a burgeoning market, the yoga market, so I would recommend getting into that. Okay, let's move on. Zacro bicycle LED light. This one's a bit of a favorite for me. If you haven't noticed already, a lot of these products are exercise related, but the trend here is to help encourage people get out. These are just the products that I would want to buy, and I have actually bought this Zacro bicycle LED light. I find that it's way easier to sell a product that you're interested in, so that's why I've gone for the yoga, the bicycle materials in this video. Alas, let's move on and have a look at this Zacro bicycle light. So the cost only $3.79. I bought 3 of these off AliExpress because I know they're probably gonna break, but I wanna see how long they last. Price, $8.99. Not too shabby of a profit, $5.20. Target audience 18 to 45, peak cycling time, bicycle, outdoors, trail, mountain bike for your target interests. So let's have a look at a competitor. So a slightly different variation of the light, but the same brand of light. So that kind of tells me that not many people are drop shipping that heart-shaped light that we just saw on the slides. And by the way, if you want to have the slides to follow along in your own time, just check the description. Thanks. Yeah, and these pictures here on longridetofreedom.com are pretty bad. So yeah, you do need to experiment with how to take photos of a light, because you can see here that they don't really know what they're doing. Can't really see the bike here. Like, that's kind of hard to tell what that is. And that's not showing the use case, neither is this. But yeah, I'm sure that you guys can, learn something and take better product photos. The description here has just been taken straight from AliExpress. I think there's a lot of room to improve here with some real copy that's going to inspire somebody to make this purchase. And if you want to learn more about copy, feel free to check out our Shopify playlist. All right, other than that, I do like the logo on this website. Okay, and that is bringing us closer and closer to the end of this video, but we still have 3 products left. So, product number 6, Handmade leather bicycle saddlebag. This one is crazy in terms of profit. Like, it's not worth it, but people buy it. So the cost $15.04, price $65. So that's a $49.96 profit. Target audience 25 to 45, because people ride bicycles from 18 and up, but this is kind of more of a bourgeoisie accessory. It's leather, it's stylish. You're probably not going to be buying this when you're 18. So yeah, bicycle, outdoors, commuting, things like that for your target interests. Let's have a look at Galen leather for our competitor. So yeah, crazy. This tiny little bag is going for $93 New Zealand. And there's no surprise why it's been sold out. Just a small little thing like that, pretty crazy. And what they do here is they put it next to the Brooks seat in the product photos. Now, Brooks, if you don't know, is a massive old bicycle seat company, and they're very expensive bicycle seats. Like 200 pounds for a bicycle seat, I'm pretty sure. So that's a little subtle thing where you can sort of associate your product with this other product. And there's no way that people are gonna go to Brooks because they're not selling the same sort of thing. So they're gonna still buy it off you. Yeah, pretty crazy. Still no video. Demonstration. What can I fit in here? I wanna know what this little bag can actually carry, and I wanna see it moving on the bicycle. Is it rattling around? Or is it kind of stable and secure? Is it going to be noisy and annoying? I don't know. There's no video. Where's the video at? So yeah. Okay, and now product number 7, resistance exercise bands. So these are $3.29 and the price at $7.95. So that's a $4.66 profit. Fitness and health, Gymshark, brands like that, 25 to 45 for your target audience. But don't be afraid to break the rules, because my girlfriend has one of these and they're really quite useful, and she's not 25, So try new things with your target audiences. So let's have a look at rubberbandits.com. Free shipping. And we can see here $7.95, and they've added their own branding on top. So you can do that through private labeling, and we have a video coming out on private labeling very soon. So yeah, plenty of colors. They all match up to the photos, and they have lots of lifestyle photos, which are really cool as well, showcasing exactly how this works. And then they have resistance range. They only have the one option here, but I do like that that is nice and easy to understand. They're conveying all of the information right up front. Not much copy here, straight into the dimensions, uses, material. I would probably have a bit of ad copy right there, top. Otherwise, it's pretty cool. Product photos are a bit low res. Okay, now on to our bonus product. So this one is a product for Shopify merchants. I don't recommend selling this to consumers. I actually recommend just getting one of these for yourself. Why would you want to get one for yourself? Because it is a product turntable. So it's a little plate with an LED and it spins around, and you can put whatever you're selling right on there to capture product videos. And if you can make them professional and stand out with a real simple, elegant turntable, then, that's sales right there. So the $27.74 on AliExpress. So you can see here, we've got a pair of headphones on here. And if we play that video, very groovy. Look at how elegant that is. And it's even got an LED that showcases the product as well. They have actually added an extra light here, so don't be fooled by the product video. But that's for you to learn how to use the product in the end of the day. They're obviously trying to showcase the product inside of that video. A real product video with the use case would be elevating that turntable up, so you can have the camera underneath it and just see the product itself turning around. You wouldn't want to see like the turntable. But it does come in quite a nice black or white color. And as we always say with dropshipping, small products work best for e-packet. So this is perfect, just this small little plate. And there you have it. Okay, and that has been our winning products for July. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd be very grateful. Channel's doing really well, but let's see how far we can take this. Otherwise, scroll down and open up our slides to see if you've won the Debutify giveaway for this month. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take it easy.